Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can unfreeze SPayLater in Shopee. So first up, open your Shopee app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the Me section at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Here on your profile page, tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right. Once you tap on the gear icon, as you can see the account settings, scroll down, then tap on Help Center under Support section. And then here on the Help Center, so as you can see the Shopee PH customer service. So we need to scroll down a bit. And then, do you have any other questions? So select this chat right here at the bottom. And you'll be taken into this page, which is the online live chat from the Shopee chat support. So tap continue to chat with Shopee. Now here, use the chat box right here at the bottom and type here, for example, you want to first reactivate your Shopee Pay account. So type right here. And as you can see, some other suggested results right here. So you can just select on that. So once you reactivate your Shopee Pay account, you will then again type your concern. For example, I want to unfreeze my SPayLater account. So as you can see, the suggested concern. So tap on that and it will automatically reply with your chat. And as you can see, my SPayLater account is currently activated and working well. So if you want to unfreeze your SPayLater account, just go to this chat support or live chat support, and then you'll be able to type your concern right here and giving you some instructions on how you can unfreeze or reactivate your SPayLater. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.